हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण चॅप्टर फर्स्ट सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट केलेला आहे. आपले दोन जे लेक्चर्स आहेत ते लिंकला अपलोड केले गेले आहेत, ते तुम्ही बघितलेच असतील. तर आपण आता नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक आहे तो आपण स्टार्ट करतोय आज. त्यामध्ये लास्ट लेक्चरला आपण कुठला पॉइंट्स घेतला होता तर स्टेट्स ऑफ मॅटर. स्टेट्स ऑफ मॅटर मीन्स solid, liquid and gases. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. Solids are perfectly solid. The constituent particles of solid are held together tightly. Therefore the strength of solid is greater as compared to liquid and gases. The distance of particle in liquid is greater as compared to solid. The distance of particle between the liquid particle or liquid constituent is greater than the solid. This is solid having compactly arrangement of constituent particle. म्हणजे सॉलिड मधले जे काही पार्टिकल असतील ते क्लोज पॅक असतील, त्यामध्ये गॅप नसणार. त्याचबरोबर जर तुम्ही लिक्विड कन्सिडर कराल, हा सॉलिड असेल, हा लिक्विड असेल, तर ॲज कम्पेअर टू सॉलिड लिक्विडचे जे पार्टिकल्स आहेत त्यामध्ये थोडं डिस्टन्स असणार आहे. त्यामुळे सॉलिड जो आहे त्याची स्ट्रेंथ ग्रेटर असेल लिक्विडपेक्षा. कारण आपण याला जर हीट दिली, ड्यू टू हीट द कन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स गेट सेपरेटेड अँड बॉइल्स ॲट द लो टेम्परेचर. That is, the strength of this liquid is less as compared to solid. Then gases diffuse throughout the surrounding or atmosphere. Therefore the distance between the particles of gases is very greater as compared to liquid and solid. Therefore the gases does not have fixed volume, shape, and the strength is also weak due to the intermolecular forces between the gaseous particle is less as compared to liquid and as compared to solid. Therefore from these it is clear solid having greater strength than liquid and liquid having greater strength than gases due to intermolecular distance of particles. Then the last lecture where we have learned about the measurement of properties. Measurements of properties means almost many properties of matter are measurable, means quantitative, means how many quantity water, how many gram weight, means almost all properties of matter are measurable. Therefore the unit is the standard for measure the matter, the particles, volume, length, then pressure. Measurement of properties, many properties are measurable. Therefore the standard quantity is reproducible, and standard quantity is reproducible and cannot be changing, means unchanging. Therefore many properties like mass, volume, shape, liquid, pressure, time are the quantitative in nature. Therefore it is expressed by number of units. That these are already given in the last lecture. That is the length, the SI unit. SI unit means the international system of units. The international system of units. Length having the SI unit is meter. Here the 7 fundamental units and next are the derived units. First, here the length, fundamental units. Fundamental units means length, then mass, electric current, then thermodynamic temperature means temperature, and amount of substance means how many amount of substance, and last is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity means intensity of radiations, rays. These are the fundamental units. Fundamental units are naturally given, that is the unit, the SI unit. SI unit is the unit of international system, the metric system which is originated in the France. Therefore SI system has 7 base units, means the SI system gives 7 base units, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here the SI unit of these properties, length measure in terms of meter. Then mass in kg, kilogram. Then time in second. Electric current in ampere. Electric current can be measured the unit of ampere. Temperature means T, capital T, and symbol is capital T, and the unit is Kelvin. And amount of substance denoted by N, means symbol is N, and unit is mole, means amount of substance. The given substance per mole means in mole. The amount of substance can be measured in terms of mole. And luminous intensity means radiation intensity. Luminous intensity measured in terms of candela. Candela means unit is CD. These are 7 fundamental units of standard international system, means SI unit. Then next point of this chapter is physical properties. Physical properties of matter. For example, physical means temporary. The color, volume, then mass. These are the physical properties. The next point of this chapter is physical properties. Physical properties like, first is mass and weight. Physical properties of matter. First, mass and weight. Mass and weight. Mass and weight are the, mass is the inherent property, and mass and weight are both different, does not similar, means mass and weight are different, that is it is measure of the quantity of matter. Mass is the quantity that is measure the quantity of substance. Mass is the measure quantity of substance. म्हणजे mass ही जी quantity आहे ती decided असेल, fix असेल. For example, carbon having atomic number 6 and mass is 12, means the carbon having mass is fixed, and this is measurable property, means mass of carbon is 12, does not change any time. But here weight means given weight. For example, 2 gram of carbon. 2 gram of carbon means 2 gram is the weight, and carbon having molecular mass is 12 gram, means 2 gram is weight and 12 gram is the mass. Therefore mass and weight are the two different properties. That is, weight of the body is results of mass and gravitational attraction, means mass of body does not vary, mass of body does not vary and weight of body can be vary. Means mass कॉन्स्टंट राहणार, फिक्स राहणार, ते चेंज होणार नाही आणि वेट जे आहे ते चेंज होऊ शकतं, व्हॅरी होऊ शकतं. बिकॉज ऑफ मास the weight of body is results of mass and gravitational attraction. Weight means weight is depend on mass of substance and gravitational force of earth. Means mass is fixed, does not change, and weight is depend on mass and gravitational force. Means the body changes the position, shift to other side, the gravitational forces changes. Therefore mass, weight of body is changed. Means mass of substance and gravitational force of earth changes the weight of body. Means weight is vary and mass does not vary. That is, weight of body is results of mass and gravitational force. Therefore the weight of body varies because gravitational force of attraction of the earth to the mass of body. If suppose this is earth contains substance body, the weight of body can be changes due to change in position. When this body is changes the position, delocalize, then the gravitational force of earth is changes and weight of body also changes. That is, the weight of body is depends on the mass of this structure, mass of this body and gravitational force of earth. But mass of every element is decided fixed, does not change. Hence mass of the body is more fundamental property than its weight. From this it is clear mass is more fundamental quantity than weight because mass does not vary and weight is vary. Therefore the basic units of mass in SI unit, basic unit of mass means SI unit of mass is kilogram. Means SI unit of mass is fractional quantity can be measured in terms of gram. The SI unit of mass is kg, but fractional quantity of mass or small quantity of mass is measured by gram. Means fractional SI unit of mass is gram and SI unit of mass is kg, kilogram. Here 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1 kg, 1 kilogram means 1000 gram is equal to 1000 written like 10 raised to 3 means 3 digit 1 2 means 1 into 10 raised to 3, 1 into 10 raised to 3 means here kg, 1 into 10 raised to gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1000 gram is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3 gram. Then length, from these two mass is measurable property. means fundamental property, more fundamental than the weight. Then second is length. Length is also physical properties of matter. Here the atomic radius, the length is in terms of atomic radius म्हणजे atoms ची radius, त्याचबरोबर bond length, wavelength, electromagnetic radiations म्हणजे Cl, single bond Cl, this is bond length. Radius, if this is nucleus, one atom, atomic structure, the distance from nucleus to the outermost electron, this is distance, radius of the atom. Means the second property, length, is measurable property in terms of radius, bond length, electromagnetic radiations, also wavelength, atomic radius. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of length is meter, and also the SI unit of length are used like in fractional, means here the units nanometer, picometer are also units of length. Nanometer, picometer are also units of length. Nanometer, the value of and common unit of volume, the fractional units of SI are the nanometer and picometer. These are the fractional units, and SI unit of length is meter. The value of nanometer, 1 nanometer is equal to, nano means 10 raised to minus 9, means 1 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter, means nano having value 10 raised to minus 9. And picometer, 1 picometer is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, means pico having 10 raised to minus 12 value. That is, these two, nanometer and picometer, are the fractional units of length. And yes, fractional unit means smallest quantity can be measured by nanometer, picometer. Here the smallest quantity measured in fractional quantities measured in terms of gram. Then next is the volume. Third property of physical properties of matter is volume. Volume is also, third property is volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by three-dimensional object. For example, this is cube. Cube is three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional means back, front, above, below, all sides, means three axes, x, y and z. These three axes containing structure is the 3D structure, means three-dimensional structure. That is, the volume is measurable for three-dimensional structure. The space occupied by three-dimensional structure or object. Three-dimensional structure नी जो space occupy केलेला असेल तर आपण volume consider करणार आणि volume जो आहे तो depend नसणार shape वरती. Volume does not depend on the shape. That is, the small cube and large cube. This is cube. The shape of this cube is very small as compared to this. But the volume of these two objects are similar. Here also cube, here also cube. Again, this is sphere and this one also sphere. It is, volume does not depend on the shape, any shape, but here the volume of both are same, means spherical in shape, volume are equal. That is, the measurable, does not depends on the shape. For measurement of volume of liquids and gases, the measurement of volume of liquid and gases, the common unit is liter. The measurable common unit of volume is liter. But the SI unit does not as a liter, L. The SI unit of volume is decimeter cube, meter cube, centimeter cube. Liter does not use for measurable SI unit of volume. Here the SI unit of volume is decimeter cube, centimeter cube and meter cube. The fractional unit centimeter cube, decimeter cube and meter cube is the SI unit. From these 1 liter of volume is equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube and 1 liter is equal to also 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube